See this notification right here? That's real money hitting my actual bank account from the Unetwork app. No crypto, no points, just straight cash. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how to withdraw your earnings step by step so you can get paid today. Let's do it. To withdraw rewards with Unetwork, go to manage.unetwork.io. Go to the Withdrawals tab and click Withdraw Incentives. If you sign into Unetwork using Web3, then you'll need to complete this email verification. If you use the email sign-in, then this step gets skipped. To verify email, type in your email address and click Send Verification Code. Go to your email inbox for the code. If you don't see the code in your email inbox, don't forget to check your spam folder. Copy and paste the code and tap Verify. Here we have two withdrawal options. For bank transfer, click Bank Account. The first time you do a bank transfer, you have to go through an identity verification. Select your country. If you have multiple nationalities, please choose the country where you want your funds to be deposited. During the withdrawal process, your country of residence is locked based on your submitted identification document. Once selected, tap Verify Identity. Click Continue Verification. Tick the box to consent to process your personal data. Select the document type you want to use for verification. You have three options: passport, national ID, or driver's license. Submit a picture of your document. You can take a new picture or upload an existing one. The site will autofill your data based on your picture. Double-check the information and correct any mistakes. Once accurate, click Next. Next, take a headshot. The site will verify your information. If any issues arise, the site will prompt you to redo any previous step. If successful, click Proceed. Now your identity has been verified. Going forward, withdrawing funds will directly take you to the bank transfer process. To start the bank transfer, click the bank account option. Fill in the necessary information, including name, address, banking details, and withdrawal amount. Let's submit the withdrawal amount. Note that for bank transfers, the minimum withdrawal is 200 Unetwork points, and the max is 1,000. The maximum withdrawal within a 24-hour period is 1,000. 1 Unetwork point equals 1 USD. Select your destination currency. You can choose US dollars, euros, or British pounds. The site will clearly show you any fees before withdrawing. You can check how fees work by clicking the information icon next to the fee. Once everything is filled out, click Request Withdrawal. Bank withdrawals take 1 to 2 business days for funds to be submitted to your account. Click Return to Withdrawals to go to your withdrawal history. Here you can clearly see the pending bank transfer. Once the funds are deposited in your bank account, the pending status will change to completed. And that's exactly how you turn your background phone data into real money sitting in your actual bank account. Remember, since this is a real bank transfer, it can take up to 1 to 2 business days to fully clear and hit your balance. So don't panic if it doesn't show up instantly. Smash that like button, subscribe so you never miss an update, and as always, happy earning!